It's a 2018 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. The Sierra was built for those that need a truck, a get-dusty, haul-anything heavy-duty pickup. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: automatic transmission, Duralife 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, tow haul mode, mirror-mounted spotlights, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, remote engine start smart device, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, trailer brake controller, auto-track 4-wheel drive with traction control, security vehicle tracker system with slowdown, and power heated mirrors. GMC, professional-grade vehicle suited to fit your needs. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.